Even as Genesis crypto lending business filed for bankruptcy, the company's trading arm, which remained out of Chapter 11, was still moving money around on blockchains, indicating that the business was still operating at least somewhat normally. According to blockchain data compiled by Etherscan, a wallet controlled by the Genesis OTC trading desk sent approximately $125 million in ETH, FTM, and USDT to Coinbase, Binance, Bitstamp, and Kraken on January 19th, the day of the bankruptcy filing. The wallet has transacted several times in the last few hours, receiving nearly $50 million USDC. A Delaware bankruptcy court judge has given New York law firm Sullivan and Cromwell permission to continue representing FTX during its bankruptcy proceedings. Judge John T. Dorsey issued the decision on January 20th, despite recent controversy about the White Shoe law firm having potential conflicts of interest, which critics say should disqualify Sullivan and Cromwell from acting as debtors' counsel. Former FTX attorney Daniel Friedberg, who served as the exchange's chief regulatory officer, filed an unusual declaration containing numerous explosive allegations of wrongdoing in Sullivan and Cromwell's previous work with FTX. Friedberg claimed in his declaration that Ryan Miller, FTX US's general counsel and a former partner at Sullivan and Cromwell, funneled millions of dollars in legal work back to his former colleagues. Friedberg and the US Trustee's Office are not the only ones who question Sullivan and Cromwell's involvement in FTX. Judge Dorsey issued his decision to approve Sullivan and Cromwell's appointment as debtors' counsel after a brief recess to reconsider the arguments. According to court filings on 20th Jan, the US government wants to seize nearly $700 million in assets seized earlier this month from former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried. Over 55 million Robinhood shares worth approximately $525 million are included in the property. Those shares purchased with borrowed Alameda funds were at the center of a battle between Bankman-Fried, FTX Group, and BlockFi. Officials are also attempting to seize $171 million in cash from a series of bank accounts linked to Bankman-Fried's businesses. According to a bill of particulars filed on 20th January in Bankman-Fried's case, the government seized those assets and others in early January and is now seeking their forfeiture. In the upcoming segment, we will update you about the following news. Binance garnered largest market share of crypto investors from emerging markets in 2022. Bitcoin miner OneThrash sent almost all its BTC to Binance. SEC sues Eisenberg for draining Mango markets. Stay tuned for more updates.